Hi guys, myself Ankit. In this video we shall and the problem on LeetCode. Subarray sum equals k. So you given an integer array of integers called nums and integer k. Return total number of subarrays whose sum is equal to k. A subarray is a continuous non-integer subsequence of elements within the array. So that means let's say they've given an array 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1. So you need to find subarray with sum equal to 2. What do you mean by subarray? Subarray is nothing but contiguous array elements. So it can be empty or it can be only 1, 2, it can be 1, 2, it can be 1, 2, 3, it can be 1, 3, 1. And so, but it cannot be, okay, it cannot be 2, 3. Why? Because they are not in the contiguous manner. So the contiguous array part, whichever is present, that are known as subarray. So it's a contiguous non-empty subarray, which should not be non-empty, this sequence of elements within the array. So here in the given question they say if k equal to 2, what if k equal to that integer k equal to 2, if they are given, you could say this single 2 will be with a subarray with sum equal to 2. Then this is subarray with sum equal to 2. This is subarray with sum equal to 2. Is there any other subarray with sum equal to 2? No. So total 3 subarrays with sum equal to 2 are present. So you have to return answer as 3. So you have to count the number of total subarrays with sum equal to given sum of them there is 4. So what's the brute force approach for solving this problem? So normal brute force approach is like you you find all the subarrays in the given array. How do you find it? So first take element 1. That is one subarray. Then element 1 with 2. That is another subarray. Each time you check the sum. Then element 1 with 3. That is one subarray. Element 1 with 1, 1 with 3, 1 with 1, 1, 1. So entire subarray you counted for 1, starting with 1. Next start from 2. 2, 2 with 1, 2, 2 with 3, 2 to 1 again, 2 to 1, 2 to 1. Again 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1. So all the subarrays you find, each time you compare it with the sum. If the subarray sum is equal to 2, then you just increment the count. That is a normal method. But here we will be using that will have a time complexity of big of n square. But we need to decrease the time complexity. So what is we will do here is we will do hash map. Hash map concept we will use here. So how do we apply the hash map concept over here? Let's say simply there is an array containing element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you know, just imagine a subarray ending with these elements. I represent it in points. So you have the subarray. There can be a subarray ending with here. There can be a subarray ending with here. So if a subarray ends with here, how many subarrays are possible? One is single element. Another is one with the previous element. Another is one with the starting element. So total 3 subarrays possible. I am telling a subarray ending with this position. If a subarray, if you take this position, then from here to here, here to here, here to here. So all the subarrays are possible. So if you look into that now, just imagine this is the ending position of that subarray, and you have sum equal to k here. Let the sum equal to k be here. So the entire sum let it be equal to x. So if you find sum equal to k from here to here, so this sum will be x minus k, right? So what we will do for hash map is we start summing up the elements. So single element, add that to hash map. Next this element. So this element plus this element, add that to hash map. So that it's a subarray with point ending over here. Next third element, entire sum, add that to hash map. So that if you find this sum equal to k here, and you have the sum with till x, right? So x minus, if in case in hash map you find x minus k value, x minus k value, if you find in hash map, that is this value, a subarray ending with some other point, then we can conclude that this is a subarray, middle subarray. Got it? So if I need to give an example for this, let's say take an array with elements. So this is the array. So we'll start, okay, for hash map. We will start adding elements to the hash map. So we will have a hash map of type integer comma integer. Okay. So in C++ we will use unordered map. So in Java hash map we have. So start from here. So add is one is present in hash map. No. So add one with how many one present? Only one. So that is the count you are taking. And we'll have a variable called count. Okay. Count equal to 0. So you added one to the hash map. And we need to have a variable called sum also. Initially it's equal to 0. So sum plus c equals to num. We do sum plus equals to the number. So that is nothing but 1. So sum plus c equals to 1 will give 1. Add that to the hash map. The logic here what I explained, if you see here, so you could see a subarray with 3. If k equal to 3, there's a subarray over here, k equal to 3. How do you get this? So if you come here, now 1 done. So next you move here, pointer. So what is the sum here? 2 plus 1. That is nothing but 3. So sum will be incremented to 3. So 3 is the sum and that's appearing only once. So now you could see sum is equal to k here. So sum was initially 1, that is incremented to 3. And sum is equal to k. So increment the count. Count will be incremented to 1. Next again move here. So when you come here, sum plus equals to num. So 3 plus 1 will be 4. It will be. So you have this now. Now check whether do we have sum minus k present in the array, in the hash map. What is sum? 4. 4 minus k is nothing but 3. Is there any 1 present in the hash map? Yes, it is. That is nothing but, here I'll erase this. So here 2 comma 1 is a subarray ending with 1. So we are pointing at 1. And this 1 is present in hash map. So you have found. So that's why there is a subarray with this element also. So subarray with sum 4 comma 1 also will be added. Next again you put the point over here 3. Again for 3 also sum plus equals to how much will it be? 7. So again check 7 minus k. How much is it? That will be 7 minus equal to 4. Is there any element with 4 present in hash map? Yes, it is. So even that should be also added to the count. Count will be incremented. So that means logically for this 3 is a subarray and the remaining elements is a subarray with ending with here and the remaining elements 4 is the x minus k. If this entire thing is x equal to 7 and this is 3, k equal to 3 form, this is x minus k 4 that is present in hash map. So this same procedure entire thing you do for the entire array, you find the sum. So basically pseudocode should be, one case which you have to handle is, first you have to check if sum anywhere equal to k initially, because see here 1 comma 2 you have. So in such case 1 plus 2 will be 3, right? So this is a subarray with ending over here. If you look for any hash map for this, this will be k at that time. X minus k you don't have anything. This is only x, this is only k. So in such case, either you can have hash map 0 comma 1, so that x minus k will be 0 and 0 will be present in hash map, or else check sum equal to k. That also works. So we will code this. At first, what we need to have is int, let's say int n equal to, the number of 10 is multiplied, so int count equal to 0 I will initialize, and we need to have a hash map. So map of type integer, let's name it as map only with new hash map. Next, what we need to do, start iterating. So we'll have a variable called in sum equal to 0. So for in I equal to 0, I lesser than, or I'll just, okay, int num the array nums. So this is better. First what we need to do, sum plus equals to num you have to do, and check if sum is equal to k, then count will be incremented. So after this you have to check if map dot contains key of what, sum minus k, x minus k. If this is present in map, that means there is a subarray over here or here. So if it is 1 to 1, so you pointer here. So 3 is the thing, right? So this is k, and this is entire thing is sum. So sum minus k. If 1 is present in hash map, then you can say this is a subarray. So that's why you have to check if there is a sum minus k present in the hash map. If so, then again increment the count. Also, you have to add this sum also to the hash map. So map dot put of the sum, comma, map dot get or default, or you can just give one of sum comma 0 plus 1. Yes. So at last return the count. I will just run this. Yeah. And for C++ also it's pretty much the same thing. So I'll copy paste and do the changes over there. Okay, this is C++ code. So first we will have an unordered map, integer comma integer map, then each sum you iterate, sum plus equals, and if it is equal, increment the count. Then you check whether map dot find if it is present in the hash map or not. If it is present, then you increment the count. So after this, map of sum plus plus, whatever is there, you add it. So then you return the count. So we will run this also. Yeah, successfully submitted. If you understood the concept, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll come up with other video next session. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.